With the arrival of spring comes a new start for the varsity softball team at Manchester High School. This year, a familiar face has returned to the field. Danielle Leone was the starting pitcher at Manchester High School in 2009, then went on to pitch for St. John Fisher College. Just 4 years later, she graduated and landed the position as head varsity coach to bring back pride into the Manchester High softball program. Coach Leone is the third coach in the last 3 years. Emily Stewart, a varsity captain, has worked with all 3 different coaches and tells us how her techniques compare with previous coaching.
So Danielle is a lot different than the previous coaches we had because she actually played here at Manchester and she just came out of college. So she kind of has a lot of new fresh ideas for us.
Not only has Leone worked hard to help high schoolers, she devoted her Friday nights this past winter to work with young pitchers from Manchester Little League in order to ensure success at the high school level. Leone trains with these aspiring pitchers as well as developing high schoolers, which proves her determination to turn around the reputation of Manchester High School's softball program.
When I was here, we had a really successful program. I had a lot of fun. I really loved playing. I really liked the school, and so I figured I wanted to come back. Let's help get us to states this year and help work with these athletes to get them to be as good as they can be.
The players are excited to see how far they will go with their new coach. Make sure you come support while the girls try to win their way to states. Right from the mound, this has been Stella Coletti reporting for Manchester Broadcast News.